Hi and welcome to our channel with a new video. Applying the law of attraction is an outcome of studying it. The more honest you are with yourself and the more you try to understand it, the easier it becomes, and then applying the law of attraction occurs naturally without any resistance. In a nutshell, applying the law of attraction is a lot like overcoming a certain phobia. Depending on your circumstances, at times, it may feel terrifying to face the truth. Yet you will overcome this feeling and replace it with ultimate joy and confidence. In the next couple of minutes you will learn how to make a habit of applying law of attraction with simple yet powerful steps. Before moving forward, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Applying the law of attraction takes efforts and dedication, as well as patience and honesty. The law of attraction requires that you change the way you address your emotions. We do this through our thought process, and though it may seem difficult at first, with regular practice you will see just how simple and powerful this shifts your consciousness. To illustrate how to make the law of attraction your habit, think of riding a bike over a ramp off the edge of a cliff with a parachute on your back. This can either be a terrifying thought or an exciting thought. Why would someone do something like that? The answer is because, for such people, the feeling of excitement overrides the feeling of fear. The simple shift in what they focus their thoughts on regulates the emotions they feel, which determines the event that takes place. The person before getting on the bike feels the rush of excitement as a wave over their consciousness. It means they actually live the moment in their minds before themselves, using the power of thoughts and emotions. Using this method, applying the law of attraction enables them to do what many people will not. When you first learn the art of applying the law of attraction into your life and trying to make it a habit, it is always best to observe for yourself how seamlessly your moods change into and out of each other. Some people like to create a mood log where they simply record their present mood in a notebook or a journal. Each time they notice a mood change, they record it along with what they feel caused the mood shift. This simple technique is great for beginners to show the power of moods and feelings in their lives. In just a few days of writing down your mood journal, you will start noticing how powerful your feelings are. If you've ever had a bad day, you can really identify with this notion. For most people, a wonderful day can be ruined by a single non-desired event. It can be as simple and insignificant as someone taking your parking space. Just like that, our feelings shift to anger and our good mood turn into a bad mood. That can only lead, by virtue of the law of attraction, to more events in your day that will harmonize with your mood. Applying the law of attraction is understanding that each and every one of our feelings is signals to the universe. The only job of the universe is to respond to these signals by giving out what it has received. So, if you are feeling angry, then surely more things that will make you feel angry will follow, because that is the message you sent. This applies to every possible emotion, dealing with every aspect of human interest, including money, health, relationships, you name it. Spend a few days creating something called a mood log. Look back at your results at the end of the week and observe the best and worst moods you had throughout this exercise. Write down on another piece of paper which of these moods you would prefer to feel all of the time. Go through your log and categorize good moods from bad moods. Identify what events changed your mood from good to bad. Now put some time recreating those events in your mind. Go back there mentally and find a way to preserve your good mood despite the bad event. This is one of the secrets to applying the law of attraction. Learning how to guard the positive feelings you create within yourself despite what the outside world throws at you. When you have mastered this technique, you have fully understood that you are not a victim of the world at the mercy of circumstance. Because you have the choice and the power in every moment of your day to choose how you feel and, in turn, what you attract. Applying the law of attraction is growing and maturing as an emotional creature. Understanding the fact that whatever we feel we attract, it becomes evident just how precious our thoughts and feelings are. They can be used consciously as an ultimate tool for creation or unconsciously as a weapon for devastation. It is, therefore, your job and responsibility to harness this power within yourself, and it begins with learning how to feel good, no matter what life throws at you. Another great method to apply the law of attraction is to simply feel grateful. Some people are so used to feeling bad it is hard to feel good about anything. In such situations, applying the law of attraction begins with feeling thankful for each and everything that is positive or good in their life. This can be as simple as being able to breathe. The important thing is to feel grateful for how good it is to be able to breathe. You can also start by creating a list and writing down all the things you are grateful for. Spend some time on this list and come up with the top 10 things you are grateful for at the beginning that provoke the strongest feeling of love within you. Stick this list on the mirror you most often use. Each time you use the mirror, begin by mentally going through this list from top to bottom. Take your time and spend the energy to actually feel the feelings of gratefulness and how thankful you are to have these things. It would take no longer than 5 to 10 minutes, and it is an incredibly powerful technique in applying the law of attraction. It works because it shapes the habit of seeing through the negative into what is most important, that which you care about. By concentrating on what you care most for and those feelings of love and gratefulness, you attract more of what you love back. It is always important to spend your emotional energy on what you want over what you don't want. The methods for applying the law of attraction are as varied as the people who use them. The bottom line here is that applying the law of attraction is learning the behaviors to feel good in your life and then guarding those feelings as you guard your precious belongings. By becoming aware of your feelings, you can use your thoughts in applying the law of attraction. We have direct control over our thoughts. Even if something negative happens to us, we still have control. It takes huge amount of effort in applying the law of attraction by not reacting to something negative with a negative feeling. But that is what applying the law of attraction means, taking responsibility for your emotions. Once you learn the habit of applying the law of attraction, you can see your life start flourishing. When you have the confidence to face the day knowing nothing can make you feel bad because you simply won't allow it to. When you feel great simply because you decided to fix your thoughts on something you love and hold on to that feeling all day. That is when applying the law of attraction is fun and exciting. And that is when you law of attraction start working in your favor and start manifesting your desires. Check out the link in the description box below to learn the #1 secret for manifesting wealth, happiness, love and success. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and you will be notified when putting out a new video. Thanks for watching it.